because if that doesn't really happen, then your book is going to go nowhere. And another thing that I'd like to add is, it's much better when you have certain words set for yourself, like you say, this a month I need to complete at least 5,000 words, so by end of the third month I need to have, like, 15,000 words in my for my book. Or, say, if you want to go ahead chapter wise, you can also set your goals based on chapter wise. In a month I want to complete like 2 chapters, and give yourself like a deadline and a timeline as to when you want to compile all of these together, so you can work. So the most important thing is getting yourself a writing space, working on your small goals that you would set for yourself, and then going ahead with, preparing the outline and managing your characters and giving your characters motivation. If we see, so research and find your source ideas, subject goals, approach relevant people. Okay, all of this. Yeah. Yeah, so now some of the software to use for writers. Now you have here Microsoft Word, which is like $80 or something. Then you have Microsoft Publisher. Then you have LibreOffice Writer, Scribus, Scrivener. Scrivener, in fact, now see, when Microsoft Word came, it was in fact the only available option, right? So it was used for your business writing, for lawyers, for teachers, for marketers, and for students, for writers, for basically any kind of writing. Microsoft was the only option. But then Scrivener is just specifically, it is probably, the best only for writers, widely used, and it is the best because it is only and specifically for writers. When I say writers, it's, for ones who want to get down to write their books or their novels and all of that. It has a lot of tools, and it has, like, a very cool interface to work on as well. So apart from these, I would also mention some of the free softwares that you could use. You have here Focus Writer, then you have Fast Pencil. Then I've also mentioned to you time and again about Google Docs. So Google Docs is a real cool app. You can just download it on your phone. You can work anytime, so not necessary you just get down to your laptop and, if you have an idea, open the particular software and start writing. So you have Google Docs. It is, you can just download it from your Google Play Store, and then you can start writing any kind of idea that crops up. You can immediately pitch it in. So Google Docs. And yeah, another thing is it's free. You can add your teammates. You all can work together. Maybe if you're, co-authoring a book or something, both of you all together can do it at the same time, and all of that. Then you have Pages, Pages. This is a Mac alternative to Microsoft Word, and yeah, it has a variety of beautiful templates, simple designs, and it syncs with all devices from within the iCloud, so you can access it to a number of different places. So that's your Mac alternative to Microsoft Word. Then you have Freedom. Here, you can also block your unwanted sites. So yeah, these are some of the cool softwares for you to go ahead and just begin your writing journey.